Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this beanie, the pattern of this beanie. This pattern is ideal for a girl's beanie and even for a boy's beanie. Then you choose the color for a girl and a boy. It's very easy to make. First we have to make the crown here. Here you make it big. If you want to make it for an adult, you make more rows from here. This pattern you make more rows here. And you make more stitches, so it becomes larger for an adult. But this one is for a girl, the size of a girl or a boy. It's very easy to make. All you need to know is the treble stitch and the chain stitch. Hope that you try it and that you find this video useful. So we start by making 6 chains. As you can see, we go to the first one here, and we make a slip stitch. Now we're going to work in here. We start with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn, you can use any type of yarn you want, and the hook you use the hook depending on the yarn you're making. And we're going to make 14 trebles here in the middle of the chains that we made. We have to make 14 trebles, or double crochet, how they call them in USA. 3, 4. You continue and make 14 trebles. The first one made 14 trebles. Now we go here where we made the chains. We go to the first chains and we close it with a slip stitch, and that is the first row. Now we're going to start the second row with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to make a treble in the same place where we made the chains. We make a treble there. Now we're going to make in each treble, we're going to make 2 trebles. So if before we had 14 trebles, now we're supposed to have 28 trebles, because we're going to make 2 trebles in each treble. And we continue all the row like that, through 2 trebles in each treble. The second row is ready, and we're going to finish it by making a slip stitch there in the last row. Now we're going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This one will serve as a treble. And we're going to go to the next one, to the next treble, and we're going to make 2 trebles. 1 and 2 trebles together. And the next one, 1 treble and 2 trebles. The whole row like that. 1 treble and 2 trebles. You continue all the row like that. 1 treble, 2 trebles, or the row like that. And that is the row ready, and we've finished it with a slip stitch here. Again we make 3 chains. This will serve as a treble. We go to the next treble and we make a treble. So those are 2. Now we go to the next one and we make 2 trebles. 1 and 2. 2 trebles, 1 treble alone, and 1 treble in the next treble. So we're going to make 1 treble in the next treble, 1 treble in the next treble, and in the next one we're going to make 2 trebles. 1, 2. So 2 alone. Now in the next one, 1 treble. We go to the other one and we make another 1 treble, and in the next one we're going to make 2 trebles. 1 and 2. So we're going to make 1 treble alone, another treble in the next treble alone, and 2 trebles together. All the row like that. 1, 1 and 2, 1, 1 and 2. You continue like this. And this row is ready too. Now we're going to start the next row, and this time we're going to make 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. These are chains as always. We go to the first treble and we make a treble. We have to make 3. 1, 2, and the treble in the next treble, because the chains serve as a treble. We go to the next one and we make 2 trebles together. 1, 2. A treble, another treble in the next treble. We have to make 3 this time, and a treble in the next treble, and 2 trebles together. So this time we're going to make 3 trebles in 3 separate trebles and 2 trebles together, all the row like that. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 together. 1 and 2. We continue all the row like that. 3 trebles, 2 trebles together. 3 trebles, 2 trebles together. This is the row ready. Again we start with 3 chains that will serve as a treble. Now we're going to make 4 trebles. This is a treble. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 together. 2 trebles in the same place. 1 and 2. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 together. 1 and 2, and you continue like that. 4, 2 together, 4, 2 together, all the row like that. Now we're going to start the next one. Again 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. This will serve as a treble, and this time we're going to make 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 together. 1 and 2. Another 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 together, and you continue all the row like that. 5 trebles and 2 trebles together, another 5 trebles and 2 trebles together, all the row like that. This is the row ready, and I'm going to stop here increasing. Now if you want to make it larger for an adult, all you have to do is increase. Here we finished with 5 trebles and 2 trebles together. You continue 6 trebles and 2 trebles together. Then the row after 7 trebles and 2 trebles together, depending how large you want to make it. I'm going to stop here. Now I'm going to make this row, the next row. I start with 3 chains as always, and I'm going to do a treble in each treble without increasing. A treble in every treble that I have, all the row like that. You continue like that. Now this row is ready too. All trebles, the row that is all treble. Now we're going to start this stitch here. I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's a rib stitch. I'm going to show you how to make this one now. So we start again with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. That one will serve as a treble. We go to the first treble here, and we put the hook from here to here, like this. We turn the thread around, and we make a treble. That is the second one. We go to the next one, turn the thread like that, and we have 3 like that. because this will serve as a treble. Now the next 3 we're going to put the hook from here to here, to the front. We're going to put the hook to the front, pull a thread and make a treble. We go to the next one, we're going to make 3. So we'll make 3 and 3, 3 from the back and 3 from the front. 2, we go to the next one and we'll make another one, 3. In all 3 we have 3. Now we're going to start the next one from the back here. From the back we put the hook on at the back, and we're going to make 3 like that. 1, 2, so 3 at the back and 3 from the front, and 3. Now we're going to put the hook to the front, like from there to here. We're going to make it from the front. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to make another 3 from the back here. Put the hook from the back. 1, 2, and 3. Another 3 from the back. 1, we put it to the front, the hook to the front. 1, 2, and 3. And we continue all the row like that. 3 from the back, 3 from the front. All the row like that. It comes, as you can see. I'm going to show you how to start the next row. We'll start with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And again we're going to do the same from here to here. From the back, we put the hook from the back to the front, back to the front. 1, 2, and 3. This one from here to here. 1, 2, and 3. Again from here to here. 1, 2, and 3. And we continue like that. We continue all the rows like this, like these one that I made. You continue all the row like that. You continue until you see you have enough, that you see that it fits the head you're making the beanie for whom you're making it. You continue with this pattern that I showed you now. Hope that you found this video useful. As you have seen, it's not that difficult to make. All you have to know is the treble and the chain, and hope that you try it. Bye for now.